We are discussing about words. Words are so powerful, and the choice of words that you use can make or destroy your marriage. It can make or destroy the relationship that you are in right now. So, the earlier you know, the better for you to restore that marriage, to restore that relationship. So, the choice of words that we use, it can be disruptive even without us knowing about these words. So you have to know what exactly are the words that you are using in that relationship, in that marriage that is bringing you down. After today's video, you will know whether you are one of those people that are using such words, because these words, they are like bomb, and the more you use them over time, it will become so destructive that it can end that relationship, it can end that marriage without you knowing. So what are these words? When you use such words and phrases as fine, are you really fine? When you say fine and you are not fine, there is another tone to that fine. You are bottling up emotions inside of you that can explode one day, and you are giving your partner false information about your emotional feelings. So you are saying fine because you don't want to offend your partner. You are saying fine because you don't know how to express your emotions. But I'm telling you that it is not in your interest. For that marriage to last, for that relationship to last, there must be room for open communication. Try as much as possible to make room for that open communication where issues are being resolved. So saying fine and you are bottling up resentment, saying fine and you feel that you are not given the opportunity to be heard, it's not good enough. So try to resolve that problem. Try to say your mind, and it will help you to build that relationship. Then when you say whatever, whatever means that whatever your partner like they should do, whatever means that you are dismissing their opinion, whatever means that you don't care about their opinion. So stop saying whatever, because it makes them feel that their opinion don't really matter. So try to bring that opinion to the table so that two of you can dissect it, two of you can resolve it. So let there be no room for unresolved issues. Every issue should be resolved. Let your partner not feel that they are unheard. Let them not feel that. Let them not feel that you don't value them or that you are dismissing their opinion. So stop using whatever. Mature is when you use you are like your father or you are like your mother. Why are you using such words for your partner? Because saying that is so disrespectful. Why are you using that word, you are like your mother or your father? It's so disrespectful, I'm telling you. And they may become defensive. It means you are attacking their personality. Your partner is different from their parents. They are different individual and should be treated as such. Don't generalize whatever that is happening, whatever that their parents are doing that are not good. It may be that they too, they don't even love what their parents are doing. But when you now equate them with their parents, it's not right. And it's in the long run, I'm telling you, it may end up making them to be resentful. It may make them feel that they are not appreciated. It is a sign of disrespect. So stop using it for them, because you are not helping that marriage. You are not helping that relationship by using that word. Because when you do that, they may come back attacking you. They may end. In fact, it will lead to argument and quarrel, and it's so offensive. So number 4 is when you are telling your partner you should be like this person or the other person. Why not be like this person or the other person? It's not right, because it makes them feel that they are not good enough. It makes them feel that they are not loved. So your partner is a different and unique person and should be treated as such. So stop telling them why not be like this person or the other person, because you end up making them to have low self-esteem. That confidence will no longer be there, and it's not good. Try to treat them as special people, special individual. Each person has their strengths and weaknesses. Even those people that you are telling them, when can't you be like this person? Those people, they have their own weakness. So stop using it for your partner. Another one is when you are telling your partner, if you love me, you would. It's not right. It's so manipulative. It's a relationship. It's a trap in that relationship because you are making them to feel that they're supposed to do some things because of their love for you, which is not right. You say, if you love me, if they don't love you, they will not be in that relationship. They will not be in that marriage. So stop making them feel that they are not doing well. Stop making them feel that they must do some specific things. It's like you are controlling them. It's manipulative. And it shouldn't be so. So you can't make them to feel that their love for you is that they must do some things even when it's not in their interest, even when it's not in their favor. Another one is when you are telling them, I told you so. I told you so means that you are making them feel like they are failures. You are making your partner to feel that he, he or she is a failure. You are making your partner feel that they can't take decision on their own, which is very wrong. So stop telling your partner, I told you so. That marriage, that relationship is not a father-child relationship, and their opinion counts. Whatever decision that they took that didn't work out well, it's not a time for you to start blaming them. It shouldn't be a blame game of who won or who lost. But whatever is the problem, that is why you are there for your partner. You have to come in and help them. It's not time for blames. So whatever that has happened should be resolved accordingly. But when you are telling them, I told you so, it may make them to be on the defensive. It may make them, to feel that something is wrong with them and it's not the best. Then when you are telling your partner, you always do this or you never do that, it's not right. Stop using that word because it makes them feel you are criticizing them. It makes them feel that you don't appreciate them. It makes them feel that you are against them. So stop telling them you never do this or that. But you have to appreciate them for who they are. Because using such words can make them to be on the defensive. It can make them to, it can build up resentment. So whatever the issue is at that particular time, you have to treat the issue and not the character of the person. And lastly, when you are telling your partner it's not a big deal, it may not be a big deal for you, but it's a big deal for them, and that's why they are saying it. So stop dismissing what they are telling you, but try to appreciate your partner. Try to resolve that problem. That is why there is room for open communication. That is why there is room for open communication. So stop saying it's not a big deal. It may be a big deal to them and should be treated as such. You should value your partner and stop hitting the atmosphere. Stop bringing in resentment in that marriage, in that relationship. Stop making them feel unloved. Stop criticizing your partner. You have to build your relationship for it to work. You have to put much work, much effort. You have to put much effort for that relationship to work. I believe that with these words that I mentioned today, you will know when you are using the right words and when you should stop using these words for your relationship to grow. And if what I shared is what you want to hear more of, please subscribe to my channels for more of this, and thanks for watching. Bye.